Hello everyone, thanks for joining my channel. It's Rocky. So, guess what we're talking about today? We're talking about summertime favorites. I have just a few favorites I want to share with you today. I'm always talking about, what I bought, but I never really talk to you about, what are my favorite things? What are the things that I like to, how do I express myself? Because you see the things on me like, well then, now what? So I'm going to talk to you about some of my faves. So I'm going to get started. And these are all not fashion related. These are just the things that define this summer for me. Like, you will probably not see me with one of these things one day this summer. So, very first item is a Swell Bottle. And I know if my husband's watching this, he's like, ugh, probably rolling his eyes, because that's all I do is talk about this Swell water bottle. This is so awesome. Of course, not sponsored, no commission, but I want to talk about this Swell bottle. It's just a bottle, and it is double lined or something like that, but it will keep your drinks cold for 24 hours and then warm drinks hot for 8 hours. I think I just made that up, but for a long time. So I didn't even know this was a special bottle until I put my iced chai latte in there, and then I went to a super hot picnic and I brought the bottle out with me. And then after being out in the sun for hours, and the bottle was just kind of sitting there like this, and I was like, oh my gosh, my chai latte is probably curdled because it does have milk in it. And then I opened it up, did a sniff test, smelled fresh, and guess what I did? I was like, and it was freezing cold. So this has been attached to my hip ever since. So if you have not heard of Swell, I would say this is a really good investment for summer to keep those drinks cool. The next item, what the heck is that, right? What is this? Yeah, it's a roll of tape. It's a roll of athletic tape. And I just about use this every day. For what, you ask? Booby tape. So what is it? I think I dubbed myself the president or the director of the Itty Bitty Titty Committee. And nothing has changed in that department. During the summer, I can't be bothered with wearing a bra, and a lot of people probably know that, can tell that, roll their eyes at it, whatever. But I use athletic tape, so I basically take a little piece, use athletic tape to conceal the nip. It prevents, depending on how high the AC is, sometimes I can help it, sometimes I can't. But if the AC isn't blasting, I will be able to use this as my bra, so it covers the nips, and it also prevents nip slips, because sometimes I'm wearing very skimpy tops or dresses, and sometimes I get a little slip, and then my tape saves the day. The next item is skimpy frilly dresses. I have one on today, and I'll show you here or here, one side or the other. I'll show you the full length. You cannot be found in the summer without wearing some sort of skimpy summer dress. I live for summer dresses, sundresses, sheer dresses, maxi dresses, as long as it's just all about summer. You will not find me without those dresses, and that's where this tape comes into play. The next item is bright colors. I absolutely love having fun with colors in summer. This dress doesn't say so, but I love having fun with colors in summer. My nails are typically painted a fun color, and today, I know you've noticed something a little bit different about me. I don't normally wear makeup, but I wanted to show you a cool shade of lipstick. So, fun color kind of defines summer for me. I usually wear something bright, whether it be my entire outfit, my accessories, or my makeup. And I love bright colors for summer. The last thing is sun hats. Sun hats. I love sun hats. I don't know if it's an old people thing, a young people thing, but all I know is that I love sun hats. And I have a bunch of them, a bunch of different colors, but I just wanted to show you a few of them. So I have these hats. I could wear them like this, wear them straight on, wear them up like that. I absolutely love sun hat. I have all shades and colors and sizes. Some are more floppy than others. This one has Miami vibes all over it. I wish I were in Miami. How cool is this one? This one's super cool. I think I want to wear this around the house. So that brings me to the end. I just wanted to share with you some of the cool things that I'm loving for summer. I will probably do another one of these next month to show you if my tastes have changed for summer, but these are the 5 things that I'm rocking this summer. Thanks for joining. Bye.